Hey you guys, Valley Von the Perfume Don back at you again with another fragrance review video. I'm very excited because today we're going to cover a fragrance in the fragrance genre of soapy, clean, fresh scents. And as you know, if you've watched some of my other videos, I really love a fresh, clean, soapy fragrance, and I think I may have found one that you'll enjoy as well. But before we go ahead and subscribe if you like fragrance, perfume, smelling good, feeling great, all of that. Join the perfume mob. Go ahead and subscribe wherever that is down there. So this fragrance is coming from the house of Pinrose. They are sold at Ulta. I'm pretty sure that their fragrance line is vegan, non-cruelty, or cruelty-free. I believe so. If I'm wrong, go ahead and correct me, but I think that's kind of like their stance. Let me see. Actually, it was saying on the back, right? It doesn't say it. I thought I saw that somewhere, but if not, let me know. So the fragrance that I have from them is called Pillowtalk Poet. It's described as a powdery, amber, musky scent. The perfumer that created it, also known as the Nose, the person that created it, is Vito Linosi. Vito Linosi. Sounds like a really hot Italian guy. Excellent job. It says, slip into this fresh laundry mix of powder and musk, perfect for days in bed when sweet nothings mean everything. I agree. I wore this today. I wore this all day, so this is also a wear test and performance test. This fragrance, I'll show you how it comes. It comes in a little box. It has the logo right there. It says Pillowtalk Poet Eau de Parfum. This is a parfum, and you just slide this down. Sorry, it's so blown out. You just slide this down, and then you have the actual container for the fragrance. Go ahead, open that boy up, and there you go. I got, what size is this? This is definitely a travel spray. This is a 1 fluid ounce. So this is great because I'm always doing a lot of traveling, and I can just pop this in my bag and I don't have to worry about TSA on my booty, trying to steal my perfume, trying to play dirty snatches. So the same thing that is on the cover, which is like a sky with clouds, is the same thing that's on the fragrance label. And it just says it again, Pillowtalk Poet Eau de Parfum. It does have a spray nozzle, not a rollerball. So, you know, I don't do the rollerballs. They don't distribute nada. I don't do them. I need a spray nozzle, and it distributes very nice, a fine mist, very well. So, for the fragrance, they described it perfectly. It smells like, I've heard it described as sexy laundry. It's sexy laundry. It reminds me of when I was a little girl. You've probably seen this if you ever shopped at Victoria's Secret years ago. I don't even know if they still carry it, but they had their own laundry detergent that I always wanted to try, but it doesn't exist anymore, I don't think. That's what it makes me think of. If a Victoria's Secret angel could create her own washing detergent, fabric softener, I feel like it would smell like this. There's something that's very elegant, and it's the musky element to it. But there's also something very fresh about it. The top notes are geranium flower, which gives it slight floralness to it, but not a little girl floralness, a very elegant woman floral note. So it has the geranium when it opens up, and it just says powdery notes, which is just like, I guess, a synthetic note that they came up with. And that's very obvious. It smells like baby powder almost. The middle notes are clove and ambergris. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Ambergris, from what I researched, it was typically sourced from sperm whales, and that's what gives this fragrance a very aquatic, beachy, ocean-like scent to it. Of course, it's a synthetic note now, but it just smells like the sea. Once it dries down and gets to those heart notes, it still maintains a little bit of the powderiness from the top notes, but then turns very aquatic and fresh, very aquatic and fresh. The base notes are going to be sandalwood and musk and amber. So that's what really gives it the sexiness to it. And just a more adult take, a more grown-up flair, a more sophisticated approach to a fresh, clean scent. So if you're looking for something that's fresh, clean, but very sophisticated and elegant and womanly, Pillow Talk Poet is your girl. This did last. This lasted all day on me. I think it had to do with the fact that how I applied my whole body routine, hygiene, which I'll do that in a separate video. But the performance was there for me, and I was pleasantly surprised, especially because I still believe that this is a vegan line. So that's amazing. And with just fresh aquatic scents, you never think that they're going to really have that performance, but this one did. So I was pleasantly surprised. I really don't have anything bad to say. I love it. I agree with the idea. I think it would be great for if you have a lover or a loved one, if you're sleeping in bed with your children or with your special someone, either you just want to cuddle up close and have a nice skin scent. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. I don't think it has a huge sillage at all. I don't think this is something when you walk into a room it's going to announce to people or even leave a trail, but I definitely smelled this on myself all day. I smelled it on myself all day. It never disappeared. Put it on at 7 a.m., got home at 5 p.m., it was there. So, but again, it doesn't have the projection, but it has performance, and those are different. I really like this scent. I really have nothing negative to say. If you've tried anything else from this line from Pinrose, let me know. Give me some suggestions. What other fragrances do you like from them, or that you don't like? Have you tried this fragrance? Would you be interested in something like this? Let me know. Go ahead and subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you really like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.